Welcome back to 4K Tech. In this video, we're going to do an unboxing and review of the Jackery Solar Generator Power Outdoors. This is model Explorer 160. Let's open the box and check it out. Let's start with the user manual. It comes with these two sheets of stickers and of course the manual itself. Let's go ahead and unzip the pouch and see what's inside. Oh, inside we have the car charger and the wall charger. Now let's go ahead and check out this Jackery Explorer 160. The first thing we'll do is take off this plastic sticker. On the side of this unit is an LED flashlight. Here we have a DC input, the LCD screen, the LCD screen button, the USB button, USB-C output, USB-A output. Over here we have the DC output and the DC button. On this side we have the AC button, the AC output. In order to use this, we need to put it at a complete charge. We need to charge it 100%. So let's go ahead and plug it into the wall and get it charging. The user manual tells me that to use the wall charger, it will take around 3 hours, car charger around 5 hours, using a 60-watt solar panel around 5 hours, depending on the weather, and an electric generator around 3 hours. And we will let it charge until it says 100%. Okay, now that the Jackery has been fully charged, let's unplug it and check out the other features. And now I have my Apple AirPods that need a charge. So let's go ahead and plug it into the USB port. I'll press the USB button. Let's see if it charges. Yep, there we go. We have AirPods that are charging. And you'd see here that it's only giving off 1 watt. And just to show how good this product is, I'm going to plug in my bedhead flat iron for my hair. I'll plug it in on the AC side. I'll turn the AC button on, and then you'll notice that the flat iron is on. It does charge it. The last thing I would like to show you all is the flashlight feature. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, then shut the lights off. You can see for yourself how bright the flashlight is. For such a small product, this Jackery Explorer 160 comes with a lot of features. It definitely is worth the purchase, especially in hurricane season. This product is great for a camping trip or on the road trip, or even if you lose power during hurricane season. You can get it on Amazon for around $150. You also have the option to purchase solar panels, which will charge it, but I didn't do that. That's next on my list.